Right folks, Dec over par golf here. Nice wee treat today. Ryder Cup format. Me representing USA. Dane representing Europe. Big Dane, chainsaw Dunnigan. We're playing match play straight up, no handicap, no difference, no strokes. We're playing Bethpage Black. We're playing off the reds because we can't hit it 700 yards. So let's get to it, mate. Well, that's awesome.
Rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, shit ain't nothing like me. Yeah, about to catch another fight. Yeah. Apple bottom make him wanna bite. Yeah. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Oh,
right, folks, let's get it going. Take two. Let's see if we can fucking make some birdies, eh? We're not putting today, so let's see if we can just hit it. Oh, I just hit Dane in the foot. Oh, I'm going for the green.
It's coming round.
Ah, it's fucking coming round alright. What an uber slicer dicer that is, eh? Call that middle of the fairway. Ah, it's a pretty poor hit, but no warm-ups, mate. So we're not putting, so I've put it to auto fix. It goes by distance into the green. If you're into within 10 feet, it's a gimme. That'll help Dane, obviously, because he's putting shite. Oh, he's off to a good start.
He's got to start going left.
Well, I'll tell you what, you're not going to hit out of bounds on this fucking one. I think I've got a bit. What you got in, Dane? I've got 135. I know I'm a wedge. Dane's in the old fescue.
It's an interesting shot for you.
What you hitting?
5 iron. No laying up
iron.
today. No laying up.
Nailing up, nailing up, good.
Laying up.
Maybe likes a bitch. Go on, son, stick it close. Oh, tell you what.
Get in there.
Tell you what, struck it well. Ah, good shot.
Take that out of there.
Good shot, mate. Right. That is no bad for them, mate. That's bad. Right. What am I? 135. Go pitch and wedge. I'd normally go about pitch and wedge here. I got straight at it. Oh, that's off it. It needs to turn now. Should be turning.
Is it gone?
It's starting to turn. Get on. Get up. Go. I think that's gimme in there, son. I think I might have just won the first hole. Gimme. Oh, USA. USA. They needs to chip in. Not like you.
No.
What a fucking start.
The next reaching again, is it?
Oh, well. Not. Oh, I tell you what. I tell you what.
Still me, goes?
I can't be you to go, mate. Is it? Oh, it is.
I thought it would have just. You got this on Matchplay, aye?
I've got it on Matchplay. Tell you what.
Go in.
Obviously not the real ones, eh? 2 foot, I put it in for birdie. 1 under. Bogey, not bad, mate. Next hole. What have we got? Me anyway, par 4. Where's that wee yellow fucking tee, son? You're fit? You hiding it?
I'm hiding it.
Yep, let's go. Let's that nice wee draw. 340 yards here. Quite a bit gettable, eh? Right at that tree. Get out of that corner. Oh, it's an absolute beast. Oh, it's unlucky. Hit that fucking tree. Who are you? Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Ah, I thought that started off well too. Just didn't start it enough right. Oh, that's good. That could be really good. That's perfect, Dane.
Come round.
Dead
Big.
straight, mate. Big and straight.
Big.
Big and straight. Tell you what, it'll be me. 170. 170. I'm going to try and sting a 6. Let's sting this 6. Aim at that wee gap there. Wee punch. This is all I could do for there.
That's what you could have done there. Yeah, let's
And
see
I
what
hit
I'm
through
left with.
trees like.
122 yards.
Yeah. Come on, Danny boy.
Just going to take a wee.
What you gotta do here? You got every fucking tree here. You got Bobaldi peace park here.
You give me your body shitey clubs.
I never put my clubs in
You
there.
did. Pitch match.
What did that for? Maybe I want to make you a better player, son.
It wouldn't.
It wouldn't it?
Now let's see if I can punch this through.
Oh, you're in your fucking shorts, you cunt.
Let's punch it up.
It doesn't make any difference.
Oh, it does.
It doesn't it?
It does. You
You
watch
just
it.
hit that part of the thing. Look, watch this. Since you hit the fucking tree anyway.
No.
Fucking- I get shot. Ah,
Get up
that's
there.
not bad. George of the Jungle. And the bunker. "74 yards for Deco. See if I can get this inside 10 feet. Kill it off. That's not bad. Used to get right a bit. Oh, it's miles.
Big.
Oh, it's that. That's huge.
Big.
Fucking massive, mate. Jesus. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. It's not bad, mate. Oh, you spin. Oh, and the spin.
Hit that not
Two putt. Just off the green, I would say.
Uh,
I would say it's just off. Not just on.
good.
You slag. No wee chance here. I think I've got to chip it in. Spin. It's got to spin. It's got to spin. Oh no! I think I've given this one back to you, son.
You may have.
Yeah, I think I have. Can't hit too many fucking shots. Right. Fucking mother chucker. Double bogey for me.
Bogey
Super.
for me.
Level par. Level par. Right, let's keep going.
Right.
Now we're all level after 2.
100
We got par.
118
You
yards.
got 118. What you hitting?
54.
54 degree. 118. Oh, he's
I
hit
think I
it.
started it right.
I tell you what, it's all right.
That bump.
Nah, green side. Green side bunks. Oh, let's see. 118. Come on.
Be hitting.
52, son. It's a big 52. I'm going to really punch it in. That wee draw I was telling you about. Watch this.
Comes. Oh, it's beautiful.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Go.
Unbelievable.
Oh,
That was
Sonny
unbelievable.
Jim. 5.8 feet to the pin. That one's for you, mate. USA. Dane needs to chip this in. I've just made birdie. He's got a chance. Got a chance. Needs to kick right. I'll tell you what. Lethal. Lethal for that range in here.
That was just.
I think we all know where this is going. One putt birdie.
240 that for a boy.
Oh. Oh, here we go. This is the first par 5. Boom. So the big dogs come to play. Here we go. Just going to smash it as fucking hard as I can.
That's nice. What needs to draw?
Aye. It should have drawn. Obviously didn't want to. 250 into the rough, 195 to go. I think I might have blocked myself out of it though. If I'd drawn, it would have been perfect. Whoa, it's a bullet. Needs to get up. Get up. Oh, you got a lucky bounce. Good to a good shot in. Dane, you start to go, son.
It's on me.
Yep.
Hit man. 200 yards.
200 yards. 230. Oh, this is when he changes angles and that. Watch this, look. Oh, he's, look at him, look at him.
Look at him. Tactical.
He doesn't realise it does no difference. Because you just hit that part of the screen. It's not something with your grip there.
What?
Well, I'll tell you once I've hit my shot.
Just went right.
I'll tell you, fucking hell. I made a difference, eh? Right, where am I? Where am I? Let me see my lie. Come on, Sonny. Oh, I'm fucking fine. So, yeah, you do that.
I know.
Look at your thumb.
I know.
You've no control of that.
No, what
Why
do
you know that? Because what? Because you didn't want to play real golf.
No, I didn't like playing real golf.
Fuck me, sir.
I like the scenic routes. Get money's worth.
Definitely takes into consideration that rough, like, because that was smashed. Absolutely smashed that one. Yeah, Jen up, just picked it up there, like how you've gripped that. Has nobody ever picked you up on that?
No, they've always just left me with it. I've actually left me my grip. I've actually weakened it.
I look weak. Weak as fuck.
Get up.
Oh. At least you got it, son. I'm going to guess. We're going to win here. It's still you. It's going to be still you, son.
Put the lottery on.
Aye. A chainsaw Dunnigan. You've not been in the fucking... You've not
No,
been in the
no.
bushes today, son.
I've not been fancying it.
No, you were fucking free at bins yesterday. Oh, it looks good. It looks good. Just needs to kick right. Needs that kick right. Oh, it would have too, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
It would have. Just if it was just a yard to the right. What I got here, third shot, 40 yards, par 5. You just get it in the hole, eh?
It's nice to be thin in the bunkers.
Oh, no fun hitting it to there.
Just like that.
I think I've had it soft as shit though.
Brilliant.
What the fuck are you doing, man?
That's it.
Fucking arse piece. Tosser. Oh, I've just done the same. And just got lucky.
Oh.
Fuck me, man.
Pause away and it's all these.
Aye, it is. Bye! Bye, Felicia! That's fucking shocking. 40 yards away. I think this is kind of realistic. This is how I play. Chip like a fucking boat. Come on.
That's a nice wee chip, that'll spin.
Fuck me, man. Jesus, Mary. I've hit a driver and a 4-iron to 40 yards, and I've in those 40 yards, I've hit about 4
You physically can't stop chipping. There you go. You had the cheek to put you there.
Don't watch Square Roll, look. Sit
No,
down here,
it's staying
flat. So give me for there for about 8. Fuck's sake. What did we get? 2 putts for, of course.
One shot out.
Back to level par. That's fucking making a right roaring shit show. That's me, like. Hole 5. Par 5, not par 4. Right, come on, son. Let's see if you can hit a fairway. Hit
Got a
it.
bit left.
Aye. Not bad, good hit.
It's not bad.
Blocked out a bit, mind you. I wouldn't mind the teammates, alright.
I thought you'd just been off the deck.
The sportsmanship here. Fucking tell you. See, I'm gonna have to aim up there because I had it so fucking far. I am. It's 2:14. It's going to run out. You've just been blocked out, so. No good hit.
It's not picked up.
No picked it up. Did it not pick it up?
No.
The practice swing. Hit it that fucking fast.
Good strike.
Needs to stay left though.
It's got to come in. It's got to come in. That's beautiful, that.
That's fucking beautiful, mate. That's fucking miles. Look at that. Absolute launched. How far is it? Just a 292, son. I'll get that 300. I'll get that 300.
168 iron.
168 iron. Yeah, I like that. Strike. Tell you what, got the distance. Just peeling it right. Not bad. Not bad today, son. 102. Sorry, 112. 112. That's that wee draw thing again, mate. That wee draw right off that right tree. Spin it in.
I'll just
Bit
do
of
one
draw,
of the
spin.
wee duffers into the bunker.
I'll
again.
say 8 feet. It's got a bit left, a bit. It's the right shape. It's the right shape. Just got that a bit light. Yep. In the catch that, a bit finny. A bit finny.
We release 2 here.
I need to get this in the holes in.
Alright.
You didn't reach the bunker.
Hit it thick.
Oh, he's
That's
shot.
in the bunker. Just taking the piss at you to I shouldn't have kept my mouth shut.
Me you go, mate. Get the puck
see
away
his
from the
ear.
ball. Get yourself to fuck. Right, let's not do this. Should be alright.
Should be fine.
Sit. Fucking sit. That'll be a wee 2-putt. That'll be a bit of a 2-putt. Bogey. Aye. Dane's going to be hitting this. Maybe a lob shot. That's nice. That's really nice. Oh, he needed
That's
that.
tight in.
He needed that. It's just close. A close game. Yeah.
Come on. Double.
Hole 6. That was it. Par 4. Another drive. What's the scores in the doors, Dane?
What you
One up to the deck. One up to USA. One up to USA. Just another good. This hole suits my shape.
does.
Get over that bunker. Of course it's at that bunker. It's absolute. Hit the downslope. Oh, wow.
Oh,
Mate.
annoyingly
Just gotta
good.
admire that, mate. That is just 315 yards. 160 club head speed. Black all an absolute fucking smasher, Rooney. he struck it well, mate. Struck it well. Ah, it's perfect.
Ah.
Goes right though, eh? You've got that wee peely righty.
Don't know where that's coming from.
So how you swing the club, mate.
Aye.
I'm going to say it's because of how you swing the club. I mean, you're high enough to hit the second shot.
Aye, aye.
We'll see.
9 iron.
9 iron. 9 iron, 144. Good choice because you're in that big heavy rough. It's going fucking nowhere. Might actually be an 8 iron. Trackman telling you. No, listen.
No.
Right.
Pushed it right again. I'm leaving the club face open.
Oh, don't hit that path, boy. Don't you hit that path. Oh, he's down. He's down. I don't know how far I've got, mate, but I think it'll be like a fucking chip on or something like that. You know, one of those wee
Chips into bunkers.
chip in the bunker. I deserve to fucking lose. Just stick it in tight, son. 57 yards, 60 we'll call it. Nice wee chip. That could be the one. If it's draws, which isn't it? Sit. It's on the green, safe.
It's like
It's on the green. I'm sort of tuning that ball up to fuck like. I think I'm the only person that hits a golf ball and haven't to actually clean my grooves in the fucking trackman centre. It makes sense, eh?
yeah, I pulled that left.
Well, it could be
Big.
worse. Could be worse things to pull, mate.
Ah.
Yeah, fucking pecker. Let's keep this PG. Come on.
Aye, come on.
Come on, Dane. Trip it in. Fourth shot. Pitched it. Oh, he's in. He's in the gimme range, so that'll be 5. Oh,
See what happens here.
well, it's going to be me next.
Oh, you still a chip?
Oh, you fly fucker. How is that? Oh, I thought I was on the green, eh? What a turn of events here. Oh, and I shanked it right.
Keep going.
Oh, what a shot! What a shot! Give me range for par. Give me range for par, son. That should tie it up. How are we going to 1 putt par, 1 putt bogey, 2 up to the deck, meister.
Is that you 2 up?
Yes, sirree. I just say par 5 there. To be fair, last time I hit a par 5, I was 15 yards short of the green and end up in a hurry of fucking shot here. Was it out of bounds in the right, Dane?
No, this is the one where I got lost the last time.
Nah, it's the one where Dane was somewhere. I'm going to have a good wee spank at it. It's a bullet. Alright. Now run out the rough a bit. Okay. I'll take it. Simply. My 250 shot. Actually. Not very great, but that'll do. Fucking PTSD for this hole. Struck great, mate. Came off really good. Have you got enough to cover that bunker? Oh, miles. Oh, mate, you've played it an absolute blinder.
Thanking you.
Aye, good shot. Good shot, I'll give you that. 262. Well, 262.
You got 4 iron?
I've got 4 iron, aye. I'm never going to get there, like, but I'm not getting any other clubs. I'm not going to drive her off the deck, not just yet.
That's well struck, just needs to come round.
That was struck. Perfect, mate. Perfect. Oh, look at that. USA. USA. Who do you actually win the Ryder Cup?
I don't know.
I think USA is actually going to win it. I've got a feeling they're going to win it. I hope it's close, so I do like this one team winning
No.
by a country mile. I want to be at like last hole material. Kept it low enough.
Let's try to keep it low.
Fucking hell, you just hit a 1-iron pitch.
Hit it off the tee.
Hit it off the tee.
I hit it right off
What's
the
your
tee.
toe, son? You know what hurt your toe?
123 yards. Let me put you wedge.
Ah, pitching wedge for the boys in blue. Pitching wedge for the boys in blue. Struck well.
Ah, right again though.
Aim left. Everything's gone right. Go left. Everything's gone right. Go to the left. Bit of math. 38 yards in. Wouldn't have to go for this wee stinky wedge. I could get this close. That could be good. Maybe not actually. Oh, jeezy peeps. Get going. Just a wee bit more. Go!
Go tip.
Oh, 9 feet to the pin. Woohoo! Come on. Must say, Dane, 4th shot. I think you need to get it in the hole. Because that's for birdie for me, son. Nice chip. Really nice chip. Really good.
Thought it was going to be better than this.
Aye. That was good. Isn't good enough though.
No.
Isn't it? Oh, fuck. What hole are we on now? We're going here to 2-putt bogey, 1-putt birdie. Oh, yeah, fucking free up. Here the USA. US. Oh, fucking driver.
Go, aye.
Aye. Oh, that's one. Didn't see that one coming. What, 139. There's that pitching wedge again. This is here. Don't think I'm going to tee it up though. I think I might just leave that. I'm going to play that wee draw again. Nice full wedge, nice wee draw. Let it come back in, wee draw spin. That should be drawn. That turning now. There she is. Be the number. Oh, it's short. You fucking giraffe.
Didn't go in the water, did it? It did.
Oh, mate, that was a yard.
Need to hit it.
That, huh? No,
Oh, no.
I didn't need to hit it for.
Oh, and it came up re-hit.
No, aye. It
Oh,
comes
right.
up re-hit anyway, because I'm fucking hard as fuck. See my full tower.
Half a day.
Off the toe.
Half a toe again.
Oh, you're
That's the
high,
water.
mate. You're in the water.
That's unlucky.
No, it's not.
Got it thick.
No, it's not. It's just shit. Oh, you're 30 yards short of the pin. You're re-hit, mate. Re-hit.
There we go. Got to hit a 9
Free for the toe. You should be hitting 9-iron anyway. It's only me that hits his wedge, and to be fair, I hit a full wedge there and it still came short, so I probably should hit 9-iron too. Perfect strike. Good strike, son. Nice. I bet it'll be perfect.
Wait, that's big.
No, it'll be big. Big, perfect. Great
There we
shot,
go.
mate. You hit it 145. Great shot. You're on the green. What, a 2-putt for what, double or something? Need to get this close. Oh! 2-putt to there. 2-putt for there for me. 2-putt for Dane. And we drive our next hole, son. Oh, 2-putt double, mate. It's just free after tee. Just
That's something got me.
yeah. Alright. Hole 9. Let's see what we've got.
That.
Is this drivable? Well, if I hit it that fucking far, it must be drivable. Oh, Dane, you're going to love this. I think Dane's going to... I'm going at it. Fuck it. Let's go. I'll go for it. Let's do it. Ho, 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 ho. Go! Go! Mate.
By the way,
What a shot. Greenside bunker. That was a whole DeChambeau movement there. Do you like that? Did you like that, Dane?
No. No, I did not.
Mate, this must haunt you.
No, it doesn't. I quite enjoy it.
You know, moving to the right, you know, hit a wedge. I'll tell you what, you've hit a great line. Tell you what a shot, Dane. I thought you'd have bitched out there. I thought you were right into them trees.
Done all that yesterday. Done all that last year. You couldn't sleep last night. I thought myself getting a second shot of this. Oh, it's still me.
Of course it's you, mate. You had a good shot. It wasn't that good, though. You know. I'm greenside bunker. You're just short of the greenside bunker.
All right.
Nice.
Oh, fuck. I keep doing that in these shots.
Fucking bastard, eh? Motherfucker, eh?
They keep getting me.
Where's the spin? Just came out a bunker and it's no spinning.
Mm-hmm.
What's that all about? What is that all about? Big.
No, it shouldn't be big. Spin.
Yeah, big. Big spin. Could be a close one. I think I need to get this inside that gimme. Should be okay. That's perfect. Wow. I think that's a half, maybe. Jeez, I don't know who won that, to be fair.
Bogey. Half.
A half.
Aye. Hold 10.
Auto finish, back 10. Back 10.
Back 10.
We're on the back 9. I am currently smashing the fuck out the driver. I am 4 up on the back 9. Oh, this could be a fucking quick game. 352, is that drivable? Deshan cunt. Oh, that wasn't a good hit. Really rotated there like a bitch. Or get over it. That's miles out of deck. Get up, get up, get up. Look at that ball. Smith wedges absolutely tear up the golf ball. Get some spin in them though. Nice. Just get left. It looks like it's going to draw and then you go.
Goes right.
Right, eh?
I did feel that curve face up, mate.
Aye. Well, you've not your chainsaw out today.
No, I've not had it
Still
yet.
you again, son. 150 in, no? Deep rough though. Deep rough, so it's going to have a massive impact on how you're going to hit the ball here. So about 5 iron or something.
What is it?
150.
154, aye.
What are you hitting?
7 now.
7. Oh, good shout. Nice.
Get up there.
Ah, it's getting up there. It's a good shout. I think that's the best you could have done, to be fair.
Aye.
Help ma. How much am I? 96.
How deep that is, you probably need a 7 iron too.
Oh no, mate. See when you're fucking that. And that. It just gets on the hips if you're on daily at right in the fucking scooper. Aye, what's this? Nice wee draw. Oh mate, that was shocking. That was a fucking chunk out.
What just happened to that thing?
So it's on all the shavings are on that. Oh, it's me again. That's how bad that shot was.
Wait a minute, actually, you're using an illegal club, aren't you?
Fuck off, you cunt.
That's right, actually.
Aye. I think you need an illegal club.
One of these super spinny things, that's it.
Aye. Nothing spinning in here, son. Oh, I didn't get on the green. I'm going to have to put this club away. It's not fucking working. It's spinning too much. Dane's got a chance to knock one back here.
Just need to remember actually gate something.
Yeah, aye. Yeah. Oh, you geed it. You just geed it.
I geed it at left.
Fucking
Oh, Jesus.
in the wrong tee, son. Maybe you again.
It will be. Oh,
Come on, son. Get it up there.
oh fucking fuck.
That's a knife.
I've just hit myself on the tail now.
Yeah, you're still in the tee.
I did.
You're in the bunker.
Probably. Still
yeah.
me.
Jeezy peeps, man.
Jeezy peeps. I'm going to start using
You've
that
had an
word.
absolute mate here. 5th shot. Par 4. He's done the same.
No.
Ah, you have.
Spin.
Oh, it's spun.
It's
It's doing the
spun.
green. Give the cunt a chance, eh? I tell you about hitting too many shots. That's you again.
Can be.
Well, it is, because you're hitting that many shots. 6 shots, mate. We spoke about this before. Yeah.
I will never
Get your
be.
putter out.
Not in front of you done the same in the.
Nah, don't you worry. I'm no far behind you. Like, that could be close.
Go on.
Just. You got his gimme. Well done. Good shot, son.
Thank God.
What's this? 10 yards. Tell me what shot I've got. 4th shot. I reckon in here I win, eh?
I don't know, just fin it through the back, you only.
I'll just put it in the hole. Oh, you fucking slag. Right. Well, it's on the green, so that.
I'll do it.
I think that made a half.
No.
No, you at 7.
Aye.
Are you, son? Surely a par 3 coming up soon.
Double, triple.
Double, triple. Dec's up next. Dane is. Where's that yellow fucking tee? There, behind that. In your bag.
Am I hiding it?
You're fucking hiding it. Look at this. Bonnie bath. Get day for. What hole are we on? 11. Par 4. 412. Straight down the middle. Nice wee draw. That's perfect. You know, turning left, no?
Didn't fancy it,
I've
did
hit
it?
that. I've hit that perfect. I think I've hit it perfect. I perfectly fucking straight. That's exactly what I've done, mate. I've hit that actually 2 millimeters off the toe. Aye, here. Aye.
Right.
Yeah. I mean, you're hitting it clean off that face, like it's just.
Coffees must be open. Must
Aye,
be.
I think it's your grip, eh? Sure again, mate. Driver for deck. The next hole, mate, I'll happy Gilmore it just for the fucking sake of it. 5 down. Dane's going to have to start making plays here. Come on, Dane. Come on, Dane. He struck it really good. Really good. Nice shot. I mean, you like the bunkers, didn't you? You hit the bunker more times than fucking Gullen Beach. 155. Where is that? Oh, I haven't even hit my 8 iron today. Getting that?
Yeah.
Especially for a bunker, eh? Makes no sense, but fuck it. Going for the green. Let's clip this. Ah, that is not bad at golf, eh? Just watch this. Watch this. Sit. Spin. But that has remnants. Matt Fitzpatrick. Last hole. 8 iron. Flushed it. Masters. It was the Masters. It was the US Open. But he won it.
Didn't watch that in.
Evidently not. Sure, because you've been in every fucking bunker since. Shot, mate. Good run left. That one's right.
If it went in.
Unlucky, son. Good shot. Good up and down. 18 feet here, 16. 2-putt par. Dane 6 down. 6 down, going on to the 12th hole.
This is a
got
hard
a par
game.
4.
Do you know what? I've actually not played bad.
You've not played bad. I've just played unbelievable. But I did say, Happy Gilmore, make things interesting.
You know what? You've actually fucking pushed it,
Oh, mate. Oh, hit that tree. I've hit the tree. What a strike. Nat. Gave Dane a wee chance here.
I didn't do anything different. I would have probably just walked off the bloody 12 or whatever it is.
Under a cup of tea, son.
Way up the road.
Up the road, Dane.
That's low.
Get up. It's good. You've got. Good shot. Good shot into the rough. Good shot.
Got away with that.
Good angle into. Where the fuck am I? I'll tell you where I am. Just gonna fucking hit there outside that fucker. Wrap it on.
Yeah, big dirty jaw like you done yesterday.
Big dirty hook. If it gets out. Oh, it got out. Good draw, son.
Really? Hey, man.
I gave you a chance, Dane. This is your opening.
And I'm 40.
Come on, Dane, baby. You can do it tonight. Can Dane do it? Or will he do a shite? Struck it well. Struck it really well. And Dane's favourite place?
The bunker.
St Andrews Dunes. Dec's up next. 72 yards, 64. 64, 64. What do you see this for a shot? That's big. In the rough, we'll bring it down. Get up, spin. Oh, it's on the green. That'll do. It's on the green. Yeah, that white stuff, that ball. Right up the toe, aye. Yeah, fucking, who are you? Come on. What are we thinking, Dane? Got to get inside that. He's floppy. This is why you've hit the cushion and you'll be good. Aye. Why so serious?
Ah, sure.
Oh, shut. Oh, shoot.
Shit.
God darn it.
God damn it.
Oh, you little bizzum. Oh, Dane's still got Sunday match. Oh, you bugger, you. Oh, it's got a chance.
I gone out.
Fucking no chance. Oh, what have we got? 6 down. Super bogey. Does that mean I've won?
I think it does. Is
no. Is it?
Aye.
What's that? I've won it on the 12th. Guys. Team, but we now. Put something here. I knew I had something here. There we go.
Came well prepared there.
Came all prepared. There you go, son. There you go. Right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. As you can tell, I just pumped this cunt. 6 and 5. That's an absolute doing. If you like this, we're going to be plenty more of it as it comes into the winter months. We're going to just continue to play in these trackman things because the weather's shocking now. But getting the next year, we'll get onto the course. But this time, thanks for tuning in. Mind, like, subscribe, and share the life with it. Thanks, guys. See you soon.